Okay, so let's just disregard it. This is like the most informal unboxing because the box is literally open, but I haven't taken out the vinyls yet, so we're sharing something at least, right? But this is, oh my gosh, my very first vinyl record. It's 2 records actually, but yeah, I just opened the box. It's from VMP. Yeah, VMP. VMP. Yeah. And it comes with this More Than a Woman artwork. I guess I'm gonna stick it on the wall, and then like the album booklet, and then this is the which you see when you open it. I can't talk because I'm so excited. Which I believe is a list of each record. Yeah, tells you what's on the discs and thank yous from the people that worked on this, and from AALIYAH, and then it lists everybody who worked on this album. And then here are the vinyls. Okay. So pretty. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Let me know when you play it.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I like that. It's nice and...
Okay, this is the second disc. I'm trying to hold it more appropriately. Oh, goodness. But yes. I don't know if you can see the marble very much, but there is... It's like a vinyl design, or like a marble design. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to play it on my record player. I think it's plugged up, so I think we are going to do a nice little listen. Ooh. It sounds so good. I'm like super happy with my purchase. This might not be the last album that I get from Vinyl Me Please, but I definitely know I needed this AALIYAH album, so I'm pleasantly pleased, and I need to make sure that I set this little record player up so I can play it more, because it's actually just chilling on my entertainment center now. So yeah, we definitely got to make sure that we get more play out of you. But 10 out of 10, I definitely recommend Vinyl Me Please. But this AALIYAH album, I'm just so happy that I got this. This is like a special limited edition purchase I'm happy about. Yes, definitely. If you see this online and you're tempted to get it, I recommend. I'm very happy with my purchase. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment your favorite AALIYAH song. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love your faces.